Hello everybody, thanks for coming back, or thanks for checking out my channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe if you can. That would help me a lot with all my projects. Some of you guys have already mentioned that putting a turbo blanket on the Civic Type R Turbo. Today's the day. So the brand is PTP Turbo Blanket. So let's open it up. And it comes with a retainer that to hold it down, and some kind of a wire to, I guess, wrap around the blanket, and a sticker. And hopefully this is one of the instructions. That's it. And then we'll try to put it on. See what's inside of this. So remove this actuator, take out the pin, just pull it out, and then that way we have room to put in the blanket. Guessing it's gonna be that way. So we're gonna use this wire to fish it out. Let's see here. Oh, these wires are tough to cut. So I went ahead and insert a wire hanger to, pull the turbo blanket other side. Oh, I kind of messed up. I had two wire hanger, so I can pull this wire hanger. Where'd it go? I can pull this wire hanger. That way I can tie him up when it goes inside. Here we go. There you go. It's like a fishing net, you know? Right? It's kind of ghetto, but it's the only way to pull them out. And here's the other end of it. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, but it's the only way I can get the blanket to curl up. That way I can get the other side. Careful, I have to scratch your car. This is so fiddly. So I ended up removing the intake boot. That way you can have room to put your hands inside after all this trouble. Look at this bullshit right here. Oh, sorry. So anyway, I use wire and my wire hanger to pull the back end of it. And now after that, use a little hook, reach in here to wiggle your way around for the spring. As you can see, the spring is on with the hook. That's about it. It's fiddly. That's why I couldn't video it earlier, because I need both my hands. But the blanket is in, and it's ready to rock and roll. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side and call it a day. Alright guys, everything is on. Gotta have to put back the pin. So a very minimal invasive work. The spring is on the other side. I use a wire mesh because reason is that they touch each other, so the spring or the retainer is just too long, so I use the wire mesh to tie it. So the way I tied it, long nose and a hook. Those are the two main tools that I use to mess around with it. Alright guys, until next time. Eli, what do you say?
Bye.
Say please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
God bless.
God bless.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Turbo blanket is on. Please thumbs up. So used tools are, once again, wire hanger was my friend. So for me to, I insert wire hanger over here and over here, and then to pull it out. So I wrapped around the blanket. All right, thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.